your engine might be slowly destroying itself. And most drivers completely ignore these warning signs. If your EGR valve is failing, these 7 symptoms could cost you thousands.
1. Rough idle. When your EGR valve gets stuck open, too much exhaust gas enters the engine at idle. This disrupts the air-fuel mixture, causing your engine to shake, vibrate, or even stall. Why? Engine needs clean air at idle. EGR flow here. Unstable combustion. 2. Loss of power. You press the accelerator, but the car feels weak or delayed. That's a classic EGR issue. Why? Exhaust gases reduce oxygen needed for combustion, less power output. 3. Black smoke from exhaust. If you see thick black smoke, your engine is burning too much fuel. Why? Faulty EGR affects combustion efficiency, incomplete burning, excess carbon. 4. Engine knocking, pinging. This one can destroy your engine. Why? EGR controls combustion temperature. Without it, temperatures rise, premature ignition, knocking. 5. Check engine light. That small light could be warning you about a serious issue. Why? Sensors detect improper EGR flow, triggers codes P0401 or P0402. This warning light never goes away until fixed. 6. Poor fuel economy. Noticing more trips to the fuel station? Why? Engine compensates for poor combustion, uses more fuel. 7. Engine stalling. If your car suddenly shuts off, don't ignore it. Why? Too much exhaust gas disrupts combustion, engine can't stay running. If you notice even one of these symptoms, don't ignore it. A failing EGR valve might seem minor at first, but it can quickly lead to rough engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and even long-term engine damage if left unchecked. Fixing it early is simple. Waiting too long can get expensive. Comment below which symptom you've experienced, and follow for more real mechanic tips that could save your engine.